get enough to you? Did you learn enough about the opponent?
I think at half time it was easy. If when we put them under pressure, it was just a long ball, and then you just have to learn to react to defend the long ball. So that is basically what we did wrong in the first half. We didn't cope with the long ball, but I think overall, if we play similar today with just a few corrections, I think we will play a better game in 3 days. Players that are used to playing better surface, so of course I would prefer a better surface.
Coach, looking forward to Tuesday. What's your, not the full game plan, but what's your plan going forward into Tuesday?
No, we had a plan before we started. We want to see everyone in the squad play, and you can only start with 11 players, and you can only play maximum 17 players. So the ones that didn't play now will definitely play the next game. So we will focus on getting them to play together as a team. We have 2 days to prepare that team.
And any message for the fans?
No, just I like to thank those who came. Maybe not the best game we can show, but hopefully we can play a better game. We are going to play a better game in 3 days in Kingston. Hopefully we will see as many, but just big thanks to the people.
All right, Coach. Coach, you placed a great emphasis on youth today. You know, we saw the likes of a lot of teenagers in today's team. First of all, assess their performances and then speak to us about what your thoughts are on their roles going forward in the squad.
Yeah, that's the purpose of these games, to give the future players a chance. Some will grab the chance, some will maybe not play so good, but doesn't mean that they have lost their chance in the future. But if not now, in a friendly at home, in front of the families of these players, then when should we play them? So it's just a part of the process.
And how would you judge their performance? How do you assess their performance today? Like Hutchinson, Richards?
Yeah, I think Jamaica has a lot of talented players, but they need time to play at an international stage. They need time, they need games like these, and we're going to give them that chance. So that's part of our plan going forward.
All right, Coach.
Enough about the opponent going into the second